faith and higher education. That was the topic for the first ever Provost Distinguished Lecture series.
People kind of assume that if you want to be a really out-and-out Christian, you have to check part of your brain at the door, or vice versa, that if you want to be a real student, then you have to leave your faith behind. An institution like this says to them kind of non-verbally, this is a place where you can really read and really think and really pray and really hold it all together. And on top of this professor or that professor you might study with, there is something about being here which will encourage you to do that.
World-renowned scholar N.T. Wright made a return to campus, leading discussions on a wide variety of topics, including a debate on the meaning of Israel with scholar and author Mark Kinzer, capping off a successful launch to this amazing lecture series.
The people that I will be looking at into the future and moving forward will be those kinds of individuals that everybody recognizes the brilliance and the talents that God has given them academically, but that they also have this tremendous love and passion for Jesus Christ.